Good afternoon.
Hello, welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV channel. This edition will be presented by us, Anna Kasatkina
and Ekaterina Stikhina.
You are watching the currency and commodity markets roundup for the last week.
So what bets were preferable among currency investors last week?
The US dollar spiked and fell sharply later in the trading week.
And what events made an impact on trading sentiment?
Markets were absorbing macroeconomic data and speculating about the nearest increase of federal rates in the United States. On Friday, the US dollar was trimming losses after a sharp drop on Thursday to a weekly low of 100.50. The greenback's advance on Friday was triggered by the optimistic sentiment about the US healthy economic conditions that increases the likelihood of the rate hike at the nearest policy meeting of the rate-setting committee. The US dollar index, which tracks the greenback's trends against the six rival currencies, rebounded to 100.98 on Friday. Last Wednesday, the index jumped to 101.75. However, the US dollar index rose at the modest 16 pips over the week. At the same time, the pound sterling was trading in a choppy manner last week. On Friday, the pound dollar pair declined 0.52% to trade at 1.2411. The pound tumbled after the UK Office for National Statistics reported a surprise drop in retail sales. The UK retail sales fell 0.3% in January, missing a forecast for a 0.9% gain. On a yearly basis, the UK retail sales climbed 1.5%, much lower than the forecast for a 3.4% growth. The pound sterling shot 59 pips during the whole week. On Tuesday, the pound hit a weekly high at 1.2550 against the US dollar. On Wednesday, the pound-dollar pair reached a weekly low at 1.2379. That's all about the main market moves on Forex. Anna, what trading sentiment dominated among commodity investors?
Crude oil was trading lower and gold closed the week in the green. Oil prices logged a weekly drop on the back of a larger-than-expected surge in U.S. crude inventories. Steady growth in U.S. oil stocks could hamper further recovery of global oil prices. Meanwhile, U.S. oil companies are encouraged by the steady oil rally to ramp up shale oil production. April Brent crude futures closed on Friday at $55.81 a barrel on London's futures exchange. April contracts posted a weekly loss of about 2.4%. On Friday, March West Texas Intermediate crude declined to $53 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. In the late session, WTI settled up at $53.40 a barrel. The weekly loss was 1.3%. Gold prices end with a loss for the session on Friday amid the US dollar's advance. On the whole, gold tallies a third consecutive weekly gain as geopolitical tensions continue to boost investment demand for the metal. April gold fell to $1,237 a troy ounce on COMEX, the division of the New York Mercantile Exchange. For the week, gold prices finished roughly $7 higher.
Anna, thanks for your comments on commodity market. You have watched the weekly update on the currency and commodity markets on ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
It has been presented by us, Ekaterina Stikhina
And Anna Kasatkina.
Good luck and see you later.
Bye.